Yeah, now let's continue Python for AWS. In this, let's continue writing first Python program using Jupyter Notebook. We have installed Anaconda Python. So Anaconda Python installs Jupyter Notebook. You no need to install Jupyter Notebook manually. Okay. First, before going to start Jupyter Notebook, you need to create a workspace. So open a folder. Let's go uh, C drive, and here create a workspace folder. I already created a workspace for folder. Now I am creating one folder, Python for AWS folder. In this folder, place cursor end of the location here. Type CMD. Type CMD. It will open command prompt. In this command prompt, type Jupyter space notebook. This command starts Jupyter notebook, opens a Jupyter notebook in web UI. So this is Jupyter notebook web user interface. Here, right side, you can see new button. Here you can see Python 3. Click on Python 3. It will open a workspace to write your Python programs. I am giving notebook file name is Python for AWS, and then click on rename, and this one we call it as a cell. This one we call it as a cell. You can see blue symbol means it is active cell. Here we are so we are going to write Python statements. Let me write first line. Let's say this one we can write HTML tags also. Python for AWS. So if you want to make this one in center with bold character, I'm using as. Here you can see code. You can select markdown, press shift enter. Okay. Now I am writing my Python statements here. First I am writing print welcome to Python world. Welcome to Python world. Shift enter. To execute statements in this cell, shift enter or control enter, or you can see run button here. Okay. I'm writing A equal to 10, B equal to 5, and result equal to A plus B, and sorry, A plus B, and print A, print B, and print result. Important point here, in this cell, we can write one statement, we can write multiple statements. We can write multiple statements. Inside a cell, we can write one statement or we can write multiple statements. So once a cell is executed, it gives a number. So I am executing this cell, shift enter. So it executed and displayed output and entered into next cell. Clear writing, how to write first Python program using Jupyter Notebook. Jupyter Notebook is one of the most popular IDE software, and it is a web user interface. We can start using Jupyter space notebook command. It will open a web UI, and here we write a Python statements. It will open a Jupyter notebook in a web UI. Here we have a cells. Inside a cell, we can write one statement or we can write multiple statements. To execute the statements inside a cell, we use Shift Enter or Control Enter or Run button. Okay.